Hello! Welcome to Seth's Korean Kitchen. Do you guys like meat a lot? Many kinds of meat there. Chicken, pork, beef, and I like this meat. It's a meat from the field. Today I will cook 순두부찌개, soft tofu stew. Shall we begin? Go go! The pork, you have to cut it smaller size. The pork, chopped pork, I have to marinate. This is soju. 1 tablespoon of soju, black pepper, and mix it. I always marinate when I use pork. Zucchini, it's big, so I'll just use half. One onion, same size with zucchini. Half green onion leeks, one green chili, four garlic cloves, oh, it's hot. It's time to start. I'll put around 1 tablespoon of perila oil, but you guys put any oil, no problem. I will fry onion leeks. The green onion leeks coated with oil. It smells nice because of perila oil and also onion leeks. I really love to use perila oil. It is really good oil for health. 1 tablespoon of chili powder. This is for making for chili oil. And some burning for chili powder. And there is green onion mix with oil. So later it will going to float on the stew. So a little bit burning. Then the one I marinate for, we put and fry. The meat cooked hot, so I'll put water. This is 150 ml, so 300. Or 50 and 50 more. So 500 ml of water. Let it boil. Wow, it's boiling. Be careful. The pot is hot. Then we'll put zucchini. And onion, chopped garlic, and green chili. The tofu is really good food. Easily get full, good for diet. So I'm going to cover it again, then we'll wait until boil again. I like this sound for boiling sound. Let's open. Wow, it's beautiful. It's really beautiful. Now, I'm going to put sundubu in the stew. And sundubu, there is a line here to cut. Okay, so look at this. Just push. Okay. And we just cut just like this. We don't need to cut in chopping board. Just like this. Now, I'm going to put 새우젓. It's a salted shrimp, baby shrimp with salt. I bought in Korea, but we still can buy here local Korean grocery. If you don't have this, it's okay. You can just put salt, no problem. Just 1 tablespoon and mix it. When you mix it, Have to be very careful. Sundubu might break. Then cover. Wait for 5 minutes. While waiting for the boiling, I will talking about fish sauce because I will going to use after a while. I normally use tuna sauce here. Tuna sauce. 참치 egg. I bought in Korea. But we can buy also Korean grocery here. But you guys, if you don't have, you can use this, patis. It's very good sauce also. I use this for when I'm making kimchi, and also sometimes I use this for other stew and also jjigae. Boil again. Let's open. I'm going to taste it. Oh, it tastes good. But if you guys want to add a little more sauce, but today I'll try to put patis. 1 teaspoon of patis. Final step, 1 egg on the 순두부찌개. Then finish. Very easy. Happy time. Rice. Sundubu and milk and zucchini. It together. I will break the yolk. Mix it. And eat together with sundubu. Really yummy. I have one more dish. It's a 오이지 무침. Cucumber pickle. Next time, I will teach you how to make cucumber pickle. You guys cook 순두부찌개 with my recipe. It's really yummy and healthy food.